Hi everyone, welcome back to Dream Cars, where we bring you the latest, smartest, and most exciting rides in the world of automotive design. Today, we're taking a closer look at a model that might just be the surprise of the year, the all-new 2026 Buick Envista. Buick has been reinventing its identity for the modern age, and this new Envista shows they're not just playing catch-up, they're setting a new tone. At first glance, the 2026 Envista is a serious visual upgrade for the brand. Buick's gone bold, with a sporty, coupe-inspired silhouette that blends sleek aerodynamics with crossover practicality. The front fascia is sharp and modern, with a reworked grille and Buick's updated tri-shield logo taking center stage. It rides low and wide, with clean lines and sculpted surfaces that really give off an upscale European vibe, and it doesn't just look good, it feels intentional, like Buick knew exactly who they were designing this for. Under the hood, the 2026 Envista keeps things efficient and simple. It's powered by a 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, pushing out 136 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque. It's not a performance SUV, but it's more than capable for daily driving. The 6-speed automatic transmission is smooth and predictable, delivering a relaxed, comfortable ride. And with front-wheel drive as standard and no all-wheel drive option, it's clear this car is meant for city streets, commuters, and casual drivers who want style without the extra cost or complexity. Inside, the Envista is surprisingly refined for a vehicle in this price range. You're greeted by a wide, flowing dashboard with 2 digital displays, an 8-inch driver information screen and a crisp 11-inch infotainment system, both standard. It's Buick's most tech-forward interior yet, and it really changes the experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come built-in, along with a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and multiple USB-C ports. Even better, the voice command system is responsive and genuinely useful, something we can't say about every car in this class. Materials throughout the cabin are soft to the touch and visually appealing. Even in the base trim, there's a strong sense of design and attention to detail. Moving up to higher trims, especially the Avenir, brings premium stitching, contrast accents, and a truly elevated experience that makes you feel like you're driving something much more expensive. Seating is comfortable and supportive, and despite the sloped roof, rear passengers still have a decent amount of head and legroom. The cargo space is practical, too, over 20 cubic feet behind the second row and nearly double that with the seats folded down. It's a smart layout, and everything feels easy to access and use. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Buick's Driver Confidence Suite is standard across all trims, bringing in key features like automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, and forward collision alert. On higher trims, you get extras like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert, giving you peace of mind whether you're commuting or road tripping. The 2026 Envista comes in 3 trims: Preferred, Sport Touring, and Avenir. The base Preferred trim is anything but bare bones. You get LED lighting, alloy wheels, and all the core tech we just mentioned. Sport Touring dials up the appearance with blacked-out accents, unique wheels, and a sportier vibe inside and out. But the crown jewel is the Avenir. That trim offers quilted leatherette seats, a power liftgate, upgraded interior touches, and an overall luxury light experience that doesn't just feel like an upgrade, it feels like a different league altogether. Pricing is one of the biggest draws here. The Envista starts at around $23,000 and even fully loaded, you're still well under the $30,000 mark. That's huge, for buyers who want a premium-looking and feeling vehicle without jumping into full luxury territory. This is a sweet spot. Whether you're a younger driver looking for your first crossover or someone downsizing from a larger SUV, the value here is hard to ignore. On the road, the Envista is composed, calm, and confident. It doesn't beg to be pushed hard, but it rewards relaxed, comfortable driving. The cabin stays impressively quiet, thanks to Buick's focus on noise insulation. The steering is light, visibility is excellent, and the ride quality is exactly what you'd want from a vehicle designed for daily usability. Whether you're cruising through downtown traffic or out on a highway trip, the Envista does its job without drama, and with more style than you might expect from a Buick. To sum it up, the 2026 Buick Envista is a turning point. Buick is no longer just catering to an older crowd, they're targeting younger drivers, style-conscious buyers, and anyone who wants a premium experience without the premium price. The design is sharp, the tech is impressive, and the value is undeniable. It may not be the most powerful car in its class, but it wasn't built for that. It was built to look good, feel good, and make your daily drive something a little more special. That's our take on the all-new 2026 Buick Envista. What do you think? Does this look like the kind of car you'd drive? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a drop from Dream Cars. We've got more reviews, sneak peeks, and comparisons coming your way, and you won't want to miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay driven.